22 workers working 5 hours per day have opened in 6 days a trench of 220 meters long, 1 meter wide and 0.625 meters deep. How many more days will 12 workers spend to make a trench of 100 meters long, 1.5 meters wide and 1 meter deep, working at 4 hours per day? So, here we have the following: workers, hours per day, days, and volume of the trench. 22 workers working 5 hours per day during 6 days did a trench that had a volume of 220 times 1 times 0.625. Instead of this decimal, I will write 625 over 1,000, and I will reduce this fraction into something like this is 25 and 4. So this is the volume of the trench, 22 times 25 over 4. Now let's read the question again. How many more days will 12 workers spend to make a trench? 12 workers spent to make a trench of 100 meters long, 1.5 meters wide and 1 meter deep, working 4 hours per day. We need to find the number of days, x. So again, here 100 times 1.5 is 150. Now, in order to solve this question, you need to remember that the number of days is inversely proportional to a number of workers, and it is also inversely proportional to the hours per day. The number of days is directly proportional to the volume of the trench. Now, this quotient is always a constant. That means that the value of the constant for the first row is equal to the value of the constant for the second row. Therefore, 6 days times 22 workers times 5 hours per day over a trench of 22 times 25 over 4 is equal to x days times 12 workers times 4 hours per day over a trench of 150. Now, solving for x, we get the following: 6 times 22 times 5 times 4 over 22 times 25 is x times 12 times 4 over 150. We can cancel 22 and 22, also 4 and 4, 5 and 25, 5 is left, then 6 and 12, 2 is left, 5 and 150, 30 is left. Finally, the value of x is 15 days. Remember that the question was how many more days will they need to work? 15 minus 6, 9 days. They will have to work 9 more days in order to make a trench of 150 cubic meters. Choice C is correct.